Hey Divi fans, this is Bill with Website Promoters. Today we're going to have a security video on WordPress. We're going to be installing the plugin on Divi 5 Alpha and WordPress naturally. So here we go. What we're going to do is first thing we have to do is go to the dashboard. And then we will come down to plugins, and you can see we have a couple different plugins right here, but what we want to do is we want to come up here to where it says plugins, click on add plugin, and we're going to search for it. We're going to come over here to the search box. You can type in security. Okay, the first one, this is what we're going to review today, called WordPress Security. We're going to be working with the free version. They have a free version and a premium version. We'll click on Install. Okay, then after you install it, we have to click on Activate. Okay, now first thing you need to do is you'll see this screen here. Basically it's installed, tells you the version 8.0.5, but you need to get a license. You can install an existing license if you have one, or you can come over here, get your WordPress license, and they have different versions, but we're going to be installing the free version. Okay, and then it'll tell you there they would appreciate it naturally if you get the premium version, but we're going to be working with the free version. Come down here, I'm okay waiting 30 days for updates. Okay, click on that. You're going to want to put in your email address. And would you like alerts by email? I'm going to click on no. You need to read and agree to their terms and conditions, and then click on register. Okay. Now what you want to do is go to your email, and there will be a link to activate it, but I'm going to do it the quick way here. Can't find email. Okay, click it one more time. Okay, copy the license. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on install an existing license. I'm going to paste that in there. And then I don't want alerts, so I'm going to click on install license. Okay, it says it's been installed. Go to the dashboard. Okay, then it's going to kind of give you first thing it's going to do is kind of walk you through a tutorial. If this is the dashboard, it's where you're going to, it provides valuable insights into current state of the site security. You'll find useful data summarized here, as well as important status updates and notifications. And then it'll have a couple more. It'll show you different things, easily way to monitor the protection, WordPress options. Click on got it. Okay, now what you've got down here is it's going to go through a process, and it has to set itself up. So the first thing I want to do is go down here and click on Manage Firewall. Okay, And what you'll see is that it is in a learning mode, and it'll stay in that for about a week. Protection level, you want to come over here, click on optimize the WordFence firewall. Okay, here, this is where you can come in. If you want to, you can add upgrades on the firewall. It will attempt to determine the type of server that it's being hosted on. Before you do that, you want to download the file. Go ahead and click on it. It'll say it's now optimized. Click on close. Okay, then you're going to have different options down here. Delay IP and country blocking until after WordPress plugins have loaded. Then it will ask you for an allowed list of services which you can select. Brute force protection is on. You can have it on or off, but the standard is on. Here you can select how many login failures and how long to lock them out for if they try to reset the password. And then the amount of time that they will be locked out for. 4 hours is a long time. You might want to put that for, a shorter period of time, maybe half an hour, 15 minutes, but it's up to everybody what they want to do. You can enforce strong passwords, which is a good idea. And they have different options down here. Check the password strengths. You have rate limiting. I would leave all of these set on the default settings unless there's a reason to change them. And you can go through here. You want to come over here. If you've made any changes, click on Save Changes. There's a standard scan. On the free version, WordFence is going to determine when it scans. On the premium version, you're going to get to scan basically whenever you want. You have a lot of different features here. It's a good idea to go down and go through them one by one. The default settings are usually pretty good, but if there's any conflicts with your website, then you may want to change them. They have different tools. They have like live traffic. It'll show up here. As things go on, you'll have your logs, who is lookup. You'll have diagnostics. But in the beginning, you won't have much of any data, but as time goes by, you will. You'll have login security. If you want to, you can use two-factor authentication. Say like a Google Authenticator. What you'll do is you'll set it up right here on this page. And if you do set it up, make sure and download the recovery codes so that if something happens to Authenticator, you can always just use these codes. And the thing you want to do is just go ahead and download them, and then after you do that, you can activate it. Okay, and then if you decide that you want the premium features, you can upgrade here. One of the nice features about premium is that it allows you to block traffic to your website by IP addresses or by country. And so if you're getting spammed a lot from particular IP addresses or countries, you can block them, and that's a really good feature. And so I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. So until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.